Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Sukumaran. I'm one of the directors and the principal consultant of Bodhih Training Solutions Private Limited. We are headquartered in Bangalore, but we have clients from across the world. We've trained people from several countries. We've worked with over 1,000 clients. We are an ISO company certified by this elite German body, TÜV Süd. And some of our workshops have gone on to become the most sought after workshops in the world. In fact, our trainer certification has been identified by Technavio, which is a London-based research firm, as among the top 5 or 6 workshops in the world. And it's been also published in portals like Business Wire, which, as you know, is a Berkshire Hathaway company. I want to tell you about our trainer certification. So one part of our trainer certification is called the Train the Trainer. And the Train the Trainer is a 4-day process, which, if anybody registers for, they would be taken through a very structured learning management system based online training pre-work. So what this means is, even before you come for the Train the Trainer, you are prepared on some of the foundations on what does it mean to be a trainer, what's the difference between training, coaching, consulting, what are some of the fundamentals of being a trainer, how would you ensure competency development, how would you deliver an experience, and you'd be given a lot of details about this, you'd be trained on this through an online platform so that you're coming for the Train the Trainer already prepared, already knowing enough. And that's honestly where we'd like you to be. Because when a participant enters the workshop with that mindset, discussions are more fruitful. Expectations are not basic expectations, but are based on a strong foundation, which makes them more useful expectations. And once the Train the Trainer is over, we have a very structured, methodical, once again, LMS or learning management system based training to do follow-up, to make sure what's learned in the Train the Trainer and during the pre-work is crystallized. Participants get to practice very specific skills to be able to take ideas, concepts into reality, into action. And it's something that's worked brilliantly for a lot of our participants. And the idea really is to be able to cater to trainers and build trainers of the highest level of competence, of a world-class level of competence. Because once you're done with the pre-work for the Train the Trainer, the TTT program and the post-work to help you, bring your competencies to life, we also have something called as the MTC or the Master Trainer Certification. Typically for somebody who's been training for a few years, who've done a lot of training programs, so a trainer who's saying that, look, I'm so good at this, I've done this so well, I'm pretty good at training delivery, and I want to take my training competence to the next level. That's when we encourage you to attend the Master Trainer Certification, which is a 5-day process. And what happens in the Master Trainer Certification is we equip you to not just train individuals or participants, but to train other trainers. In fact, you can come up with your own unique sort of TTT and deliver it to others through our Master Trainer Certification. In fact, what it also does is helps you take your area of specialization. If you go tell somebody you're a trainer, they're going to ask you what trainer. And if you say, I'm a leadership trainer, it helps you take your leadership training capability to a level of mastery. So you become one of the experts in the field of leadership training, and that's something that we ensure in the Master Trainer Certification. So folks, I look forward to seeing you in these workshops, and it's a very structured process of taking somebody from a very low to a high level of competence. Having said that, we've also had a lot of people who are experienced trainers, but who never got formally trained, who've attended our workshops and greatly benefited from it. So good luck, look forward to seeing you, and do get in touch with us.